Hey guys, it's Shira, and I am here with all the hats that you guys have sent in for this amazing campaign that Lion Brand has launched called Hat Not Hate. We have partnered with Stomp Out Bullying, and we are raising awareness against bullying. And with that, we are asking every one of you to make blue hats. A general shout out to all of you, thanking you with so much love. Thank you for participating in this amazing campaign. And you guys have heard us. You have made a lot of blue hats. Let's get to opening. Mary T from Illinois. Guys, this is so exciting. It's like Christmas and Hanukkah and all of the above. Thank you so much for these two beautiful hats. Thank you so much. A lot of people didn't think that it could happen, but I'm a very determined person, so I know that when I put my mind to something and when I ask my knitters and crocheters around the country to put their mind to something, they definitely listen. So who is this from? Carla L from California. Oh boy, there are a lot of hats in here, Carla. Wow. 8 hats from Carla in California. Thank you so much. By making 1 hat or by making 15 hats, you guys are really making a difference. I am so touched. I'm speechless. It's impressive, right? This is from Tish Knits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 hats. Oh my God. Oh my God. I am in tears. This is so cool. That made my day. And thank you for the cry. Thank you, Tish Knits. Oh, she sent me a note. Hi, Shira. Thanks for spearheading this awareness campaign. As a mom of 7 and grandmother of 2 sweet girls, 2.5 years and 6 months, this hits close to home. I've taught my kids to be kind and tolerant and to treat others as they would like to be treated, but not everyone is raised that way. And too many children and adults are bullied, often with tragic consequences. The 2 Colorado flag hats are to honor a sweet 9-year-old boy from Denver, Colorado, an hour north of where I live, who was bullied and felt that taking his own life was his only recourse. I hope this campaign can show others that their actions and their words have consequences, and that those who face bullying have places to turn to for help. Ann G from North Carolina. This is beautiful. Thank you. These kids are going to be like the most fashion, forward wearing hat kids ever. I wish someone made me a hat when I was younger because I was bullied. And I wish that something like this would have given me strength during that time. Tanya M from Illinois. Oh, you watched this with Lavender Girl. I love it. I feel so zen with this lavender smell. Dear Lion Brand Yarn, thank you for the anti-bullying campaign. I was bullied. My daughter and son also. Kids can be cruel. Hashtag hat not hate. And then she wrote to the recipient of the hat. To the blue hat recipient, hang in there. I was bullied and lived to tell the tale. Your story will encourage others. Stay strong, Tanya. Thank you. Last but not least, guys. Whew, man, that was a lot of hats. Dear Shira and the Lion Brand family, it was a pleasure to contribute and make this hat. I work in education for 26 years and saw some acts of bullying and tried to help with many of those situations. Thank you all for your commitment to this wonderful cause. Love, Terry. I couldn't have ended on a better note. Guys, I just want to let you know there is still time to send in your hats. We need your hats by September 24th. I cannot wait to see this local school here in New York get outfitted with all these beautiful blue hats that you all have made. You can send it here and all the information is in the description. I am so happy to be a part of this community. You guys rock. Hat not hate.